In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap a product from a video with Kling AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside Kling so you can confidently replace an object in your footage and keep the look and feel consistent. First, open Kling AI in your browser and sign in. Make sure your account is on an active subscription because the product swap capability is available only with a paid plan. Before you start, it helps to have a reliable connection and your source video ready. If you can, pick a clip where the product is clearly visible, well lit, and not heavily motion blurred. That will make the swap far more convincing. Once you're in, head to Assets. This is your personal library where all your uploads live. It's the best place to keep your project materials together so you can quickly reuse them across different generations. If you already uploaded your clip, you'll see it here. If not, add it now so it's available in the workspace. Next, choose the image or video you want to work with. For a product swap, select the video that shows the item you plan to replace. Shorter clips with a steady angle are easier to manage and will render faster. Aim for a resolution that matches your final delivery, because upscaling a weak source usually highlights artifacts. With your media selected, click Create in Omni. Omni is Kling's central creation space where you combine assets, prompts, and generation modes. Think of it as your control room for directing how the AI interprets your footage and enforces the replacement. Now, click on Image Generation. We'll start here to establish a strong visual reference for the new product's look, color, material, finish, and overall style. Setting this baseline helps the system maintain consistency when it interprets frames in your clip, especially with tricky lighting or reflections. Type your prompt carefully. Describe the replacement product in precise visual terms and match what the camera sees in your video. Mention color tones, materials, finish, scale relative to the hand or table, and the angle or perspective if it's clear. You can also guide the mood and lighting, soft studio light, daylight, or warm indoor tones to sync with your footage. If you need a clean generic look, specify no logos or text to avoid unwanted branding. Finally, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. When the result appears, compare details like size, shadows, and highlights against your original clip. If something is off, refine your prompt with clear descriptors, adjust scale, angle, or surface finish, and generate again until it matches. And that's the flow. Sign in, open assets, select your media, jump into Omni, start with image generation, craft a precise prompt, and generate to complete the swap.